Hey again, Scott here with Spigit. Today, I'll take a moment to introduce the concept of categories, an easy way to organize, automate, and scale large challenges with many ideas. When planning a challenge, you may want to align potential ideas with areas of focus, ownership, or relevance. Categories can be added to any Spigit challenge and have two primary benefits. First, categories are a way to enforce a prescribed taxonomy when users submit ideas. This can help better align ideas to implementation owners at the end of the challenge. The trade-off is that we've now passed the burden of classification onto our end users, which might affect ideation rates if not managed properly. Be sure that the audience is familiar with any categories you might choose. A second benefit of using categories in Spigit is to help manage the workload of moderators and experts, especially when dealing with large sets of ideas. By assigning moderators and experts to specific categories, Spigit will automatically route notifications and tasks to the users of each respective category. Let's take a look at how this works. Starting from a challenge homepage, select Edit Challenge. Next, Settings. At the bottom of the page, we can manage our categories. In my example, I've already created the categories HR and R&D. To modify an existing category, simply click on its name. To create a new category, select New Category. Provide a category title and short description. Optionally, you can assign a parent category, provide an informational summary, change the order in which the category is displayed on the post idea page, moderate ideas, which will require all ideas to be approved prior to posting them, and finally, subscribe, which enables email notifications when new content is posted to this specific category. Now that we have our categories, let's assign the moderators and experts responsible for each category. Navigate to the User Management section of Administration, then select Moderators. Locate the individual you wish to add, select the appropriate category, and hit Submit. The same process can be used when assigning experts. If we navigate to the Post Idea page, we can now see that we are required to select a category before we can proceed. For more information on the moderator role within Spigit or moderation best practices in general, see our other articles in the Help Center. We hope this short video helps you understand when and how to use categories in your challenge. Thanks for watching.